Hi, this is Alan again, and this time we are talking wikis. So, wikis are simply a simple way to share information and work collaboratively. So, I kind of think of it as an easy way to put content online. You don't need to know HTML programming. All you need to do is be able to type, like a word processor. So the most famous wiki in the world is, of course, Wikipedia. If you understand the concept of Wikipedia, it's like an encyclopedia, except for anybody can add to it and edit features, continually change and modify things, and it's kind of regulates itself on a self-policing kind of model. So, it does mean that somebody can put in bad information, but the idea is that other people will change it and make it right, and that it grows with the knowledge of the people who use it. So, as a teacher, wikis can be very useful for you in terms of creating a portfolio or in terms of um, looking at, in terms of an electronic portfolio, what your students can do. So here's an example. We did a writing camp at San Alejo, um, and we created a page so we can upload video. So this is an embedded video, and we give an overview, a syllabus, if you will, links to other things, and then we put the students' names, just first name first, and for each student, you could click on one, and you could see what type of work they're doing. So, click on somebody. I click down and see the different examples of their work, and let's see if I was go to this one. They can put in pictures, they can talk about themselves, and then they can put links to their pieces of writing. So, it's kind of a neat way for kids to kind of interact and do it quickly and easily. So, to do it yourself, there are two websites that I would recommend, and they're specially designed for teachers. So, one is called Wikispaces, which is wikispaces.com. If you go to this page, you scroll down, and it says K-12 plan. So there are accounts available for teachers, um, and it's one of the most popular ones. And it gives you kind of some of the professional features as a teacher. It kind of looks as a charitable contribution, and it has 433,000 to give away. So I think you're good. The second one is called pbworks.com. So if you would go to pbworks.com, I think it's originally stood for peanut butter and jelly because it was that easy. But here is what you'd see, and you want to go where it says for education, and it talks about different things that you can do. And if you go to sign up now, it will talk about what you can do. So a workspace, you get um, 100 users, 2 GB of storage, and all these other things for that. So we have created one over the summer for the San Marcos Writing Project, and this is kind of what it looks like. Save this one. If I was to go to the beginning, um, you can put information, embed videos, put things on it, and editing is easy as clicking some buttons. So let's say, you can kind of create access over here. Teachers, if I was to go to this website, I just hit edit. Two most important buttons are edit and save. So if I want to put a link to something, all I have to do is put add a link. If I knew the website address, I could put it down here, press enter, and it's linked automatically. If I've already created, a link over here and to a website I've already created, I can just click it here and it makes the link. If I have an image I want to embed or a file or document, I can upload it. So I can go up here, upload files, and if I wanted this image, Ferris Bueller, I can upload it, see it, and all I have to do is click here, and now it's part of my document. Now, I said the two most important buttons, edit is one, so make sure you're not just in the view, you can't do anything in the view. And the second one is make sure you hit save. So you can save if you want to continue to work on it, save it if you want to just let it go. And that's as easy as that. And so you made a website, you've put links on it, you can just type if you wanted to. So if I wanted to put here is how easy and simple it is to use, I just click on that, hit save, and now it's saved for the whole world to see. So one of the nice features as a teacher is that you can restrict access, and it also allows you to add students. So with a student account, with a teacher account, you can control the users. So students don't need to have an email address. You can add them as users. You can just go to add more users. You can create accounts for your students and ask you how many you need, up to your 100 readers, etc. And, then you can kind of mass import them as well. So you can also give them settings so they don't have to read. They can also be an editor or writer. You can kind of have controls that way. And it should be simple and easy to use. So hopefully it's useful to you as a teacher.